Ira, do you take Sir Darius here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Pero ang maipapayo ko talaga sa iyo, ang pinakamagaling, huwag kayong matutulog na mag-asawa na may problema.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Yung ugali niya, tipong ugali ng tata ko at saka mama ko, sobrang bait. So, dun yun talaga number one.
Overwhelming actually. Kasi pasalamat din talaga kami kay Lord, din niya kami pinababayaan. Everything falls down into its right places talaga.
Indeed, the wedding is a beautiful single day. Napaka-importanting araw ang kasal. But I tell you, kung isang araw lang ang kasal, the more important is your marriage, which will take a lifetime.
Slowly lang. Ganyan lang, ganyan lang.
Ang tagal na namin itong hinintay, as in, ang tagal namin itong, kumaiyak ako. Hindi, ang tagal namin itong pinay talaga. So, ito na. Oh, huwag mo na. Tingin baka maiyak ako, huwag yung make-up ko. Ang tagal namin talaga siyang hinintay.
Ito na yung pinakaantay natin ng matagal. So sabi ko nga, samahan mo lang ako and then I will take you forever.
Thank you talaga sa lahat. Tsaka talagang pinaglaban mo. At gusto ko malaman mo, pinaglaban din kita. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon. Thank you and I love you so much.
I will be so much happy to spend the rest of my life with you and Aisen. Yun lang, I love you so much.
Within the thought